Martin Luther, father of the Protestant Reformation, giant of the Christian faith, and all-around great guy. Great guy? Yeah, we'll see about that. Hi, my name is Gay O'Neill, and this is Jesus Stories, where we find out about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. Because so much of who we are is because of who they were. Martin Luther's contribution to Christianity is undeniable. All non-Catholic Christians in the Western world can trace their faith traditions to him. He is a true hero of the faith. However, despite his contributions, Martin Luther was a deeply flawed man. His most unfortunate flaw was his anti-Semitism. Martin Luther hated Jewish people. You've probably heard of the bubonic plague. This was a disease that was so bad that half of the people that were alive in Europe in the year 1346, half of those people were dead by the year 1353. People were terrified. Their family and friends were dying all around them. They looked for solutions, and they also looked for blame. One of the things that they blamed were the Jewish people. Thanks to plague hysteria, masses of German Jews were slaughtered, while most others fled to Poland. Martin Luther was born 130 years after all of that. There were no Jews left in his region of Germany, and it is entirely possible that Martin Luther never met an actual Jew in his life. So why the hate? Luther considered Jews to be blasphemers because they rejected Jesus' divinity. As a warrior for the cause of Christ, Luther thought that by opposing Jews that he was defending Jesus. However, there was a brief ray of sunshine in Luther's attitude towards Jews. In 1523, he published that Christ was born a Jew. In it, he encouraged believers to show kindness to Jews, and he also invited Jews to convert to Christianity. When the paper was circulated, Luther expected Jews to see the error of their ways, repent, and convert to Christianity in droves. Yeah, well, that didn't happen. And Luther, being Luther, never forgave them for that, and deemed Jews to be irredeemable. As he grew older, his hatred for Jews also grew. So how did a guy like that become a hero of the faith? In an earlier video, we talked about how Martin Luther published his 95 Theses against the Roman Church in 1521. He spent the next 5 years being summoned for ever-escalating hearings in Rome. These hearings were designed to intimidate, and most respondents did back down. But not Martin Luther. He folded his arms and refused to recant. Also, not many people would have completed or even contemplated as daunting a task as translating the entire New Testament alone. But Luther believed that God spoke to every believer through the Bible, and that every believer should read the Bible for him or herself. His stubbornness gave him the tenacity to make it happen. Martin Luther's vindictive, stubborn nature led him to bitterness against an entire race of people. But those same negative qualities gave him the courage to stand up in the face of power and the tenacity to take on a daunting task. Luther's flaws did not disqualify him from being used by God. God knew all the ugly things about Luther and still used him to change the world. I hope someone is encouraged by that. Thanks again for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. Please share this video and let me know in the comments below about what subject you'd like to hear me talk about. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.